Stacy ate too much sugar.
Way too much. Full of sugar.
Here we go.
Is it fructose? Fructose?
I can't.
You just did it!
I couldn't even get it
Focus!
without the hoop.
I feel like you're not even hula hooping. Now you are.
You need to get a rhythm to it. Go slower.
Your hand's not going
Click,
in
click,
a
click,
circular
click,
motion.
click, 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 click,
I'm
click,
not-
click, click,
I'm
click,
not
click,
trying
click,
to do the
click,
circle
click,
one.
click.
I'm trying to do the
The double.
There you go.
Who thought of
Quick,
this
someone
dumb
give me a
toy?
paddle ball.
No!
Drop a beat!
Feeling it. Boots and cats.
Boots and cats and 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 boots and cats.
You can hold it, Stacy. There you go.
Sensory overload!
Now spin as you're hula hooping.
One leg!
Destruction.
Stand on one leg! Can you do that? Sing the alphabet! Backwards!
Can't even do it.
My elbow got in the
I
way.
know.
Z. Can I?
See?
Sing the alphabet!
A, B. I can't stand on one foot.
Count by five.
A, B,